Before we begin the course, let's take a moment to install all the necessary requirements for this course. Adonis JS version 5 requires Node.js version 12 or greater and NPM version 6 or greater. So let's take a moment to install all the necessary requirements. I have already installed the requirement, so let me check the versions. The command node space -v will display the currently installed Node.js version. Now let's do the same thing with npm. And here is the npm version. If in case you have not installed Node or npm, then you can simply install it depending on the operating system you are using by going to the Node.js official website. Let me show you how. Here is the official website of Node.js, which is nodejs.org. If you visit the website, at the home page you will find the latest available Node.js version. One is the LTS version and another one is current version. So it's better to go with the LTS one. We will be using MySQL for this course. That's why you need to install that first. Along with MySQL, we will be using MySQL Workbench, which will help us to execute queries by using the graphical user interface provided by this amazing tool. The next thing is IDE. As for IDE, I can suggest you Visual Studio Code. It's open source, lightweight, and have some amazing features to help us during the development process. However, you can use any editor of your choice. So let's begin.